So welcome to my YouTube channel. I have a question for you. 50 times 50 times 2. Mostly, the people will do in the way that 50 minus 50 will be equal to 0.
No.
And 0 times 2 will be equal to 0. So the answer of this question is 0, but it is wrong because we have not followed the order of operation. In this, we have subtraction and multiplication sign. So, according to Diamas R, Bortmas R Temdas, we have to solve multiplication first. So, we will get 50 minus 50 times 2 because we have to solve multiplication first by obeying order of operation. 50 times 2 will be equal to 100. Now, it's very simple. 50 minus 100 will be equal to minus 50, which will be our correct answer. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.